How to share playlist on Spotify. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Spotify. Click on Library at the bottom. In here, you'll find all your playlists. Click on the playlist you want to share. After your playlist opens, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on three dots. After you've clicked on three dots, you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Share. After you've clicked on Share, you will find Copy Link option. You can copy the link and then send it to someone or directly send it through all these social media apps. You can also share playlist in another way, which is simply by clicking on three dots again. After you have clicked on three dots, scroll down again and then click on Invite Collaborators. After you invite, you can simply invite in the same way by sending a link or directly sending it through apps. If you send this link, the person will be able to join your playlist and they will also be able to join or add songs in this playlist. Also, you won't be able to share other people's playlist. You will only be able to share your own playlist. This is how to share playlist on Spotify. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.